Using Santander mobile banking offers convenience and flexibility for managing our finances on the go. Here's how to use Santander mobile banking effectively. Download the app. Start by downloading the Santander mobile banking app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Log in or register. If you're a current Santander customer, log in using your online banking credentials. New customers can register for mobile banking directly through the app. Explore features. Familiarize yourself with the app's features, which typically include checking balances, viewing transactions, transferring funds between accounts, paying bills, and depositing checks remotely. Secure access. Ensure the security of your account by setting up strong login credentials, such as a password or biometric authentication. Stay informed. Enable notifications to receive alerts about account activity, upcoming payments, and security updates. Manage accounts. Use the app to monitor multiple Santander accounts, including checking, savings, credit cards, loans, and mortgages, all in one place. Contact support. Access customer support services directly from the app if you have questions or encounter any issues with your account. Regular updates. Keep the app updated to access the latest features, enhancements, and security patches provided by Santander.